One of the actions you can perform within the Manage System time task is modifying the server roles. Clicking the Modify Assigned Server Roles action launches a wizard dialog that guides you through the process of modifying the CTN roles for each member of the currently selected CTN. The task wizard itself is broken into several steps listed across the top of the panel. Each step contains detailed instructions, including inline definitions, for completing the step. Additional guidance is provided that might help you make your decisions. And previous selections shows a history of the roles you selected throughout the wizard thus far. In the first step, we are asked to choose a preferred time server, so let's choose S31W and then click the Next button. You'll now notice that we see the preferred time server under the previous selections area for convenient reference. You'll also notice that S31W is now grayed out because we are not allowed to select the same system for both a preferred and a backup time server. The wizard is always checking user input in an attempt to ensure an ideal and error-free configuration. Although choosing a backup time server is strongly recommended, it is technically optional, so there is a checkbox that allows us to explicitly indicate we don't want to configure one. However, for the sake of this demo, we will choose S15 as our backup time server. You should notice two things now. First, we see both the preferred and the backup time server listed under the previous selections area. Second, it seems that we've completely skipped the arbiter step. Why is that? This is because the wizard is smart enough to realize that there is no system available that can act as an arbiter, since both systems in the CTN already have a role. Had there been a third system in the CTN, we would have been presented with the step for selecting an arbiter to resolve time server conflicts. In this last step prior to confirmation, we are asked to select which server we should use for our current time server, the preferred or the backup. Let's select the preferred time server and click Next. The final step in the wizard is a confirmation panel that shows the graphical view of the CTN, complete with zoom features and status just like the main panel. From here you can click on links and you can click on servers, all in an effort to confirm the changes you made are really what you intended. Now that we've decided our changes all look correct, let's click the Apply button. When the changes have finished propagating to all the systems in the CTN, you will see a success message, and then the changes you made will be live in the main task view. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other useful videos.